In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Bitcoin from your Binance account to your Exodus wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully send Bitcoin securely and efficiently. Begin by opening your Exodus wallet on your device. Once the application is running, navigate to the section where Bitcoin is listed. There, you will find an option labeled Receive. Tap on this option to generate your unique Bitcoin address. It is crucial to copy this address accurately, ensuring that no extra spaces are included, as Bitcoin relies on its own network for transactions. Next, move to Binance, open the Binance application or website and sign into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the wallet section, which usually can be found in the main menu. In this section, look for the withdraw option and click on it. You will then be prompted to select the asset you wish to withdraw. Choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Paste the Bitcoin address you copied from your Exodus wallet into the designated field. It is essential to double check that the address is accurate before proceeding. After entering the Bitcoin address, select the Bitcoin network. This is important as it ensures the transaction occurs on the correct blockchain. Next, specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits or fees that may apply, which can affect the amount you decide to transfer. Once all information is correctly filled out, you can proceed to initiate the withdrawal. Following this, Binance will require you to complete a security verification process to confirm your identity and protect your account. Once you've successfully completed this verification, the transaction will be processed. At this point, you may need to wait for Bitcoin network confirmations to ensure that your transaction is valid. You can monitor the progress of your transaction using the hash provided by Binance, which can be tracked on the blockchain. Once the necessary confirmations are complete, check your Exodus wallet balance to confirm that the Bitcoin has arrived. It is advisable to store the transaction details safely for your records. This step verifies that the transfer was successful and that your Bitcoin is now securely held in your Exodus wallet. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.